Marguerite here. Welcome back to my hairstyle magazine. Today I want to share with you guys a honey hair treatment with rose essential oil and rose water. It's an awesome hair treatment. I really love it. I think you guys will too. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, let's get started. You're going to need measuring spoons or a measuring cup. Rose water, I got this at my local farmer's market. It's the kind you actually drink. And some honey. I got the cheapest one at the store. Whatever's on sale will work fine. And a rose essential oil bottle from Now. And any spray bottle of your choice. I went with the old school one, my trusty little spray bottle. So you're gonna use equal parts of rose water and honey. So you can see in the bottle I made a little bit with some measuring spoons, but it was not enough for my hair, so I have to pour more. So I'm doing half a cup of rose water. And now I'm doing half a cup of honey. So like I said, equal parts, honey and rose water. And for the rose essential oil, I only added a couple drops, maybe 5 drops. It's hard to get out, but I tried my best, guys. And to mix it, all you have to do is shake and it blends perfectly fine. It mixed super fast, but I'm just showing you guys the consistency. It's almost like a beer consistency, it looks like, because of the suds and everything, but it sprays out really good out of the spray bottle. And I want to let you guys know the hair benefits of the rose water. It reduces frizz, adds shine, softens your hair. And the hair benefits of the rose essential oil helps to stop irritation of the scalp with issues such as dryness, flaking, and itching. It helps eliminate all of that. And the hair benefits of the honey, of course, you know it moisturizes, but did you know it also helps promote hair growth due to the vitamins and nutrients in it, such as vitamin B and C? And it also helps prevent breakage and helps you grow hair. Wanted to let you guys know, don't try to brush your hair when it's in your hair. It will not go through. It's a little sticky. So I just put it in a bun. There you go. And while it was in my hair, I just labeled the bottle really quick. For use, in case I wanted to use it again, I put it in the refrigerator for a couple days. I would say about within 5 to 7 days, you could use it again.
hair treatment as much as I did. It made my hair really soft and hydrated, which I really needed for this winter time with my hair being so dry anyways, and plus with the winter on top of that, it just makes it so dry, so it really helped. And I did not use a flat iron. I just really blow dried it really quick after I washed it out. So anyways, I hope you guys give it a try, and I'll see you guys next time. But before then, please leave a comment and give it a like. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys. Bye.
So you're gonna taste it or what? It's rose water, right?
Yeah, it's rose water. It's like a drink.
Taste it.
You could
Try
drink it. You dare me?
Yeah.
It smells like roses.
That's a shocker.
I'm scared. Oh, it doesn't taste good.
It doesn't?
No.
It
Oh.
smells good.
It tastes like.
Like roses.
It tastes like, I don't know. It tastes like plant poison or something. I don't like it. But see what it does to my hair.
Okay.